Hello, welcome back. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today I'm going to show all of you what my closet looks like now after over 2 years of decluttering and trying to become a little bit more minimal. This is currently my summer wardrobe. I do work with a capsule wardrobe. I don't necessarily count items, but I do try to only keep what I wear in my closet and get rid of everything that I find myself not wearing after a few years. And also I try to just work with a limited amount of items, things that can be mixed and matched and easily put together in a very quick way, because I am a stay-at-home mom and I really don't want to spend a ton of time trying to figure out what I'm going to wear each day. If you're new here, my name is Shannon and I make videos about becoming more minimal and decluttering our lives. If you would like to join our channel, you can hit the subscribe button. And let me show you what my wardrobe is looking like right now. We moved into this house a little over 2 months ago, and we went from having 2 closets down to having 1 closet that my husband and I now share. So there was a little bit of adjustment that had to happen, but surprisingly, we easily fit into this closet, and it is a large closet. So let me show you what I have right now. Here is my side of the closet now after 2 years of decluttering. What I do is my current capsule wardrobe I keep to one side, and then everything else that is maybe out of season I keep to the other side. I don't really have another area to store these things, so I just keep them to the side so they don't get in the way. And then up here I have a few pairs of shoes and slippers. I just store them in these IKEA containers. This one, I'm wearing this pair of shoes right now. And then on this side I just have some out of season sweaters and things like that. Down at the bottom is where I keep my really dirty shoes for working in the yard. And then we have our hamper in here. This is Grant's side. What we've done is put his dresser into the closet because there was really no other area in the room. And then he just has his few dressy shirts hanging here, few sweatshirts, and about 4 pairs of pants. This is where he's storing his sweaters and warmer items. This bin is for hats, and then top drawer is socks and underwear. This drawer is his nicer shirts. This drawer is his work shirts, and this is his shorts. This is my dresser. In the top I have underwear and bras, and then in here is pajamas and socks. Here is where I have shorts, and actually there's 2 pairs that I did not wear at all this season, so I'm gonna pull those out. Shorts, workout clothes. This is where I keep all of my out of season clothes, so this is for fall and winter. I normally never count my items, but in this capsule wardrobe, I just went ahead and counted how many items I've been wearing this summer, and it's around 26 items. I'm surprised because I actually thought I had a lot more, but after a full summer of wearing these clothes, I have just reanalyzed, I guess edited, and I'm going to do a seasonal declutter right now. There were a few items that I just did not end up wearing. So I'll pull those out right now. One item that I pulled out is this simple t-shirt, and the reasoning is it's kind of a heavier material, and I just don't, every time I wore it I just did not feel comfortable, and I just did not like the way I looked in it. So it's still in really good condition, so I'm gonna donate that. These 3 dresses, I've had all of them for a really long time. And this one, I think, actually shrunk, so I cannot wear this without putting some kind of shorts under it now, so it kind of defeats the purpose of a dress, so I'm gonna get rid of this one. These 2 dresses, the reason why I'm editing those, and maybe you can get some inspiration from this, is this one, I just feel that I've actually grown out of this dress. It still fits me, but what I mean is my style is a little bit more mature now, and this dress was from quite a few years ago when I was wearing shorter dresses and tighter dresses, and now I'm just not feeling that anymore, so I'm gonna donate this. My last item is this dress, and the reasoning is I have not worn this in probably 3 to 4 years. I've been holding on to it because it's so lightweight, but I just don't think I'm going to ever wear this again. So that leaves me with about 8 shirts hanging here, plus one I'm wearing, 9 shirts. So there's probably one in the dirty clothes, probably around 10 shirts, and 8 dresses. So I think that's really good, and maybe next summer I'll want to add a few items, but I'm really happy with this because I wore all of these clothes and I enjoyed all of them, so this is really good. When I'm organized, I put all the shirts on one side, the dresses on the other, and then off-season clothing that way. And I know someone's gonna ask, why do I have all the extra hangers? And that's just because hangers break and I don't see the point in getting rid of them and then having to buy more eventually. So we are keeping a few extra hangers, and this is the way the closet is looking. These are 2 pairs of shorts I'm going to donate, and the reason for this is I have kept these shorts for probably 3 years without wearing them. I always think there's gonna be that one moment when I wanna wear shorts that I can tuck a shirt into because they have a little belt with belt loops, and it just hasn't happened. So what I'm thinking is my style has just changed. So I'm going to donate these. They're in perfect condition again, and hopefully someone else can use these items. Since we've only been living here 2 months, I know our room will change a lot, and we've just set up the closets and dressers in this way for now because we had to just get this room organized and start living here. I will insert a clip here of what my closet used to look like and what Grant's closet used to look like. It has changed dramatically in my opinion. We used to have so many items, and honestly, all the items that I've donated, I have never once missed. And I now just have the clothes that I actually wear every day. I don't have a lot of extra just in case items or items that I think I might wear when a certain occasion comes up. So I'm really happy with that because now when I open my closet, I don't have to shuffle through a lot of items. I can just choose what I know I'm going to want to wear and what is going to fit and look good. So you can look forward to my fall capsule wardrobe video. Click right here to see that video. And if you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button to join my channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.